Welcome to the third video of traversing. In this part, we are going to learn on the specification and the accuracy of a traverse. The accuracy of traverse rely greatly by the type of equipment used, as there are many types of equipment that can be used in conducting a traverse. Until today, there are agencies that still use one of the earliest analog traversing equipments like the compass and measuring tape. But the usage is very limited to the checking of availability and the conditions of the boundary marks, and any other task which requires very low precision and accuracy. For traversing, some still employ theodolites and measuring tape, but this is more on teaching purposes. Here in our university, we will use the general total station and equipment which meet and able to deliver the standard accuracy required by the industries. The accuracy also governed by the observing and measuring techniques employed. Each technique is based on the available equipments, where some equipments are much simpler to use but will result in lower accuracy compared to the more complex equipment. Although the current digital equipment automates many procedures such as the permanent adjustments in the analog versions, but due to its high sensitivity, it became a little bit harder to conduct compared to the simple equipment. The accuracy are dictated by the purpose of the survey, such as the one mentioned earlier, the checking of boundary marks. Although the process can also be conducted using a high-end equipment, but with various corrections applied, the simple or analog equipments still can achieve high accuracy in its result. Okay, back to the statement. Usually, a construction works which requires high accuracy and precise equipment is the one that is very complicated by design, where the verticality, the orientations need to be perfect and has the lowest value of tolerance in error. This perfection in its design will make sure that the stability and strength of the building is as close as possible to the tested or simulated model conducted by the architects or the engineers before the construction begins. There are various accuracies of traverse work, but they fall into three broad groups known as precise, standard, and low accuracy here. Starting with the low accuracy, which is lower than 1:8,000. Of course, you will learn more about the meaning of this value in the traverse calculation later on. Lower than 1:8,000 usually will be rejected if the equipment used is the simple digital total station. The low accuracy usually has the observing precision of or the sensitivity of the angular measurement. Usually will be 1 second. There are some of the equipment still has the 1 second, but most of them is starting from 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 20 seconds. This is not a very precise reading, but it's good enough for a lower accuracy job. This is suitable for small-scale detail surveys and preliminary or reconnaissance, where the equipments use usually the analog equipment, such as measuring tapes, chains, and stadia tachymetry methods. The most common type of traverse for standard engineering work and accuracy would be 1:10,000. Again, The value will be explained later. The range of standard accuracy is between 1:8,000 to 1:50,000. Okay, but the standard is 1:10,000 for engineering works. This is highly achievable with digital total stations, especially if the traverse were conducted with precautions such as rules of do and don'ts were strictly followed by every member in the survey team. Nothing were taken into granted and is perfectly done, such as the temporary adjustment where the bubble is perfectly centered for both tribrach and plate bubble of the total station. The accuracy of angular measurement usually will stick to 1 second, and the distance were measured using electronic or electromagnetic distance measurement, which also known as EDM. The EDM will reflect on the retroreflective survey prism and give the reading of slope distance in 3 decimal of a meter or millimeter. Finally is the precise traverse. Okay, where the accuracy is higher than 1:50,000. The accuracy of its angular measurement is 0.1 seconds, while the distance is measured using precise EDM. The purpose of precise traverse is to create a major control of large area mapping and to establish a very high accuracy reference points for engineering survey. Alright, the end of the specifications and accuracies of traverse. If you have any question regarding this topic, please email it to me. Thank you and see you in the next video.